In this video, I will show you how to install and use Deepseek AI on your PC or laptop. First, go to Google Chrome and search for Ollama. Click on the Download Ollama link. Ollama is a great program that helps you install Deepseek easily. Choose the installer based on your operating system. In this example, I will be using Windows. Keep in mind that the file is large, so the download will take a bit of time, depending on your download speed. Once the download is completed, go ahead and open your folder. Click on the installer to start the installation process. Once that is done, go to the search bar of your computer and type in Command Prompt. Then select that option. Type in Ollama and hit Enter. If the installation was successful, you will see the following commands that you can use. Now, go back to the Ollama website and click on the Models tab. Here, you should be able to see the Deepseek R1 model or the latest version. If you do not see Deepseek, type Deepseek on the search bar and you should see it. Click on Deepseek R1. Here, you will see a variety of options, ranging from 1.5B to 671B. For most casual users with average computers, it is recommended to run the 7B or 8B version. However, I will be installing the 7B version in this example, which is 4.7 gigabytes. Now, go ahead and copy the link on the right side. Then, you want to paste this into the command prompt and hit Enter. Deepseek R1 will now be installed on your computer locally. This may take a while, so be patient and let the installation run. If you have a high-end computer, you can install the 671B version. Once it is completed, you can start using it. I am typing hello to test it out as a start. After that, I'm going to give it a simple prompt about writing a children's book. As you can see, Deepseek gives you the thought process and creates the children's story on the spot. You can copy what Deepseek has written by highlighting the text you want, then press Ctrl+C and paste it into a Word document. That concludes the tutorial. Have fun exploring Deepseek AI on your computer.